तपाईको धारणा के हो तपाईको के
Obviously, यतिखेर हामी 8 दिनदेखि यो माइतीघर मण्डलामा चाहिँ केन्द्रित भएका छौँ. At the moment, we have been standing in the Maitikar Mandala since 8 days. So far, government has not given any sort of concrete decision to us. We teachers, basically from the all over the nation, we have been centered in that Kathmandu Valley. But you know that despite the air pollution and loss of the other expollution, we have been raising our voice and we have been demanding for the government for our, let's say,
Government didn't listen our voice.
yes, listen our voice, but the government has not reacted so far. Listen. So it is a matter of the great means alacrity for us in the sense that government has become dumb and
Restless, yeah.
is reactionless too. I don't know whether government has gone into the deep
Alive
sleep,
or not, yeah.
yes, or it has been
Alive or
yes,
not, yeah.
somnambulating perhaps.
Yeah.
So that I want to demo to the so-called Prime Minister, Council of the Ministers, and other political leaders who are in the Parliament. If you do the negligence in our, let's say, demands, our need and aspiration, definitely will take revenge in the ongoing election of the 2084.
That's
Yes, entirely.
Absolutely, yeah.
So we want to challenge to the political parties,
yeah, yeah.
governments, yes, and so-called
who are in the
leaders,
parliament
yes,
as well,
those who
yeah.
have been leading. See, this is the big challenge to you. If you neglect in such a way, then we'll treat you in the election of the 2084.
84.
And now see, we teachers are being blamed by the others that
Yes, let's
teachers
say.
do the politics. See, we are supposed to be the zoles of others. We are supposed to be the porter of the political parties. But right now, political parties are neglecting us. See,
They do not listen our voices.
Yes, yes.
Till 7 days we are on the road, yeah.
exactly, yes.
Yeah.
See, we all teachers from the nation, all over the nation, are begging for our rights. We are raising for the compatible rights.
Yeah.
We do not have any other means. We don't like to take other benefits. Just we are raising our voice for the proper education, quality
For the sake
education.
of quality of education, not for any our personal
yes, we
profit,
don't
yeah,
have
yeah,
any
yeah.
sort of the other benefits. See.
Yeah.
But see, you know that, you all people know that, you are journalists, you know that, right now, see, Panchayat System Education Act has been working. See, it has been 53 years. See, 53 years. New education,
Abolished.
new education act has not been brought so far. Then think about, speculate about our system, means political system, our education system. See, Panchayat Education Act has been working, but we talk about the international means eras, yes, international other things. Next thing was
how do you get revenge in election?
what?
How do you get revenge in election?
I have told you earlier that in
All
the
the
election,
most of the
ongoing
teachers are,
election,
yeah.
most of the teachers, because you know that we are the bureaucrats.
Yeah.
Bureaucrats are very diplomatic. See, we are very diplomatic. Then we will wipe out them. Truly speaking, we will have all the political leaders.
All the parties.
Yes,
yeah.
we will abolish them from the nation. Those who are taking the benefit right now, see, they are sitting, they are spending very sophisticated life in the single darbar. They are not listening our.
We are on the road, but
yes,
they
we are,
don't listen. They don't have
yes.
properly hear.
Yes, they are not
Yeah.
listening. They are not responding us properly. See,
Yeah.
they are sitting on the sophisticated sofas. They might have been watching us. They are spending very luxurious life.
Don't listen our
But we
voice till
teachers,
7
see,
days.
we teachers are lamenting over there.
Yeah.
Basically, see, we teachers are lamenting in that place. Let's think. We have left our families. See, now see, this is the time for vacation.
Yeah.
But we are crying here. New Year is coming soon. We are on the eve of the New Year. We have not get chance. Means we have not got chance to
We
go
didn't
home.
celebrate our
Yes.
Chait Dasai
Chait
as well.
Dasai, yes. We
Because are on the road.
spend our Chait Dasai over there,
Yeah.
and we won't go home. We won't get chance to
for the
celebrate
sake of
New
our
Year without us.
Education Act.
For the sake, we have already told that we don't have any sort of other benefits. Just we want to maintain the system in the nation in terms of education.
Because quality of education, for the sake of quality of
Yes,
education,
yes,
for
we are
the
doing this.
students, involving in this community school and our parents as well.
Obviously.
Obviously, yeah.
So it has become the very serious matter for us.
Serious matter for us.
And one more thing is that if teachers do not listen our voice, until and unless our demands are fulfilled, we won't leave that place. And see, from yesterday onwards, from yesterday we have become a bit aggressive. Before than that, see, before than that, we are
Simultaneously, we are stepping over the
Obviously.
movements.
Yes,
day by day.
exactly. Before 7 days, we were drawing our let's say demand revolution very quietly and peacefully manners. But when the government has become dumb, see, then
The
we
teachers
start. Yes.
maintains the silence.
That's why we have become aggressive. See, today we have took all the lists, 3 lanes. We crossed the prohibited area of the policies.
Policies.
Which it was our compulsion. So we are going to be aggressive. Then think.
Onwards tomorrow.
Yes, then think.
Onwards.
We can send the orals with 2 things.
The
One is pen
yeah.
and next one the sword.
And
Bo-
this
yes.
and this movement is not only for the teachers, but for the
Teachers,
whole
yeah, education system, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, we want to bring the new dimension. See,
Dimension
in the field of education, we want to change the means we want to bring the drastic change in the education.
nation.
We are in the 21st century now.
Not
See,
in the
see now means 2022 going to run,
Yeah.
and the Education Act was brought in 2028.
28.
Then think about the circumstance of the education.
And we
See.
want the right policies in the education system, and our education should meet the global level.
Global level,
Globalized
yeah. Global
should.
meets, yeah.
Yes, you can see the
Maintain the
change
quality of
in
education.
every
That's
way.
our-
Yes,
yeah,
but
that's our
our
main
education
motto.
system has not been changed
So far, yes. Up to now, yes.
Yes, since the many years. So it's the time to change the education system. It's the time to change the policies, and we are here for the changes for the whole system.
Quality of
not
education,
only
yeah,
for the
not
Exactly.
teachers.
Save
Yes.
our personal benefits, yeah.
And the government
Because teachers
is
always
analyzing
raise
that
the-
we are here for only for our rights, but
Yes.
we are not only for our rights. Yes, this policy is for the parents,
Yes.
is for the children,
Education, yeah,
and is for the educator as a whole. As a whole, it's for the all. So, fish should be taken in that
Yes.
way.
So that I want to suggest to the our Prime Minister, instead of feeding his pipes and blowing his trumpet,
Yeah.
let's be cautious in our agendas. See, and if you talk about our remuneration salary, it is
Yeah.
very same. We feel shameful.
Shameful,
See, we
yeah.
have been just getting 35,000, 40,000. See, being a postgraduate from the Central Department of Education,
Yeah.
doing the master from the Central Department of
It's the
Education.
same thing, yeah. We
See,
have
so there is the
already-
maximum. See the maximum chance of brain drain. See, we are the very competent in terms of English. We could settle in the European countries or America, but we think that we need to serve in the nation. We have to uplift the status of our Nepalese students, but we did so. But nowadays we are feeling very regret, truly speaking, aren't we?
Yeah.
Are you satisfied with the provision?
Yeah.
Not because we don't have any sort of the provisions given by the
Yeah, who's provide the government?
so-called government. See,
yeah.
we are working in a very low salary. Though we are the permanent teacher, we are not here for we are not asking teacher the government to make us permanent teacher. We have already posted in the TSC. We have passed TSC. Our one just demand is that please
Yeah.
have your concentration on this and be cautious and careful
Listen our
regarding our
voice.
issues and listen our voice. See, we have been irritating very bitterly in the road. See, I have already talked about the noise pollution and other lots of the
And
challenge we are
pollution,
facing now.
yeah.
And education is purely service-oriented profession, and we are serving our nation. We are serving the education system, and in the next hand, in the next hand, government is neglecting the teachers. The government is not just encouraging, motivating the teachers. For instead of encouraging, it is disappointing the teachers, and which will cause a big problem in the years come. As you know, in our context, many educated, many talented
Manpower says which are being compelled to go into the foreign areas. We did the maximum chances. Brain drains over there.
Yes.
As ma'am said, we are being very pessimistic in our let's say profession.
And-
We are not optimistic as we
Yeah.
have already expressed our
It's the
pains,
same
miseries.
purpose of
Yes.
doing that, yeah.
See,
Nowadays.
And For example,
So government should be hitful on our issues.
For example, if a school, if a
Minds
certain
us.
school
We
needs
are
a
being
science
never in the
teacher,
case of
it should
government, yeah.
advertise for 3-4 times.
Yes, times, yes.
It's the good examples of the
Yes, importance of the competent teacher in Nepal.
in Nepal.
Yes,
Yes. So if the government wants to make this education system very
Systematic.
systematic,
Systematic.
globalized,
Yes.
it should encourage the teachers and should
Support the agendas of teachers here.
should support the agendas of the teachers.
Teachers.
Thank you.